Hello students, today we are going to see the inorganic preparation. Today our aim of our experiment is to prepare a pure sample of ferrous ammonium sulphate. It is called as Mohr salt. Mohr salt is one of the laboratory reagent and it is used as a reducing agent. So, this is the reaction ferrous sulphate plus ammonium sulphate. We have the product will be ferrous ammonium sulphate, that is Mohr salt. So, let us see the procedure. So, the requirement of this experiment is we require one china dish, stand, wire gauze, pair of tongue, beaker, funnel and glass rod, and chemicals we require ammonium sulphate and ferrous sulphate and dilute H2SO4. So, the first step is take 1.5 gram of ammonium sulphate in a beaker and add 3.5 gram of ferrous sulphate in that beaker. Then add 2 to 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. This acid will prevent the hydrolysis of ferrous sulphate, and shake this beaker. Second step is we have to boil 20 ml of water in another beaker. Then we will transfer this 20 ml water to our first beaker. Hot water we have to add, and with the glass rod we have to stir the solution. It should be completely dissolved in water. Now we have to transfer this hot solution to the funnel. Here we have to filter this solution to remove the impurities into a china dish. Now the third step is, now we have to heat this solution up to its point of crystallization and then cool it naturally to get the pure crystal. See student, you have to stir the solution with the glass rod in this manner. So, the next step is we have to transfer this, we have to filter this crystals to separate it from its mother liquor. So, students, see, this is our dry substance, that is the ferrous ammonium sulphate. We dry this, we take out this PPT from this filter paper and dry it naturally. Then here it is our crystals of ferrous ammonium sulphate. You can see the color of this ferrous ammonium sulphate is slightly yellowish, and the shape of the crystals are monoclinic. The crystals are monoclinic in shape. The yield of our ferrous ammonium sulphate is 1.45 gram. Okay. So the last portion is observation and result. Yield of ferrous ammonium sulfate crystal is 1.4 gram. Then color of the ferrous ammonium crystal sulfate is yellowish, and shape of the ferrous ammonium sulfate crystal is monoclinic. It is like given in the diagram.